Here we will be going over inventory maintenance. So we click on the inventory tab. You click the suppliers button and you can fill out suppliers if you want to keep track of that, because when you make an inventory item there's a spot to put in the supplier for it. Also, when you click retail categories, you can make your categories for your inventory items. Right now I've just got one category called lotions. I'll insert a new one called eyewear. And max discount percent is the max amount discount that someone can give. I'll put 100 in there because if that's not 100, the owner profile won't be able to give 100% off. And I don't need to fill out anything else because I don't want to do a default discount or an override. So I'll hit save, and now that category will be an option to choose. Next we can go to inventory maintenance, and we're under inventory control tab already. This is where you can insert your products. So we'll insert a product called lotion. Category, you can see we have our two categories that we made. We'll choose lotions. Product code is just, you can make up a code if you want to have your inventory item under a specific code. UPC code is the UPC scan. If you have a scanner, you got to put in the barcode here. Supplier, you can see these are where your supplier options come in. We'll just choose one. And you can do it for sale, discontinued, not for sale. No promotions allowed will make you unable to use promotions on it. If it's taxable, allow item to be paid for in points. If you do points at your salon and want them to buy it with points. And we'll hit save. And once you hit save, it takes you over to the right hand side where you can put in the pricing for it. We'll put in the regular price, and if you did a sale price, you could put the sale price in here and the dates the sale is good for, and a closeout price. If you want to close out the item, you can put in a new price here and enable closeout. The next tab is where you put in commissions. We'll give our employees 5% commission on this, and this is the points earned for the customer. If they bought this, they will earn so many points. We'll give them 5% points if they buy this as well. There's a discount tab if you need to override a discount percent. We don't need to do that for this example, so we'll just leave it like that. Sales tax, if you need to override the tax you put in, you can put an override tax percentage in here, but you don't need to do that either for this example. So we hit save here, and it just updates our price to $50 for this bottle of lotion. We'll hit OK, and then the next thing you need to do is click Available at Stores button and insert the store that this item will be at. Since we only have one store, we'll just select all stores. If you have multiple stores, just select the store that you want to add it to. And we will hit add selected stores. Yes, we do want to add this to the stores, and it's now added to the stores for us. And now that that item is added to our stores, we can go to our store inventory by clicking this tab up here. And here is our item that we added, but it says its quantity on hand is 0, so let's change that. To change that, we go to the Transactions tab and we just insert a new transaction. In this case, we'll do starting balance because we never carried this item before. We'll pick a reason for the reason codes. And quantity, you can do 10, would add 10 to your inventory, or if you need to take some away, you can do negative and it'll take away that total. So we'll say we get 10 of these, and the unit cost is what the salon paid for it. We'll say we paid $25 for them. So we put that in, we hit save. Now you can see if we go back to our inventory items here, we have 10 quantity on hand now, which is what we wanted. The next thing you can do if you want is create a PO for this item, or a purchase order. So you click create PO, you make up a PO number for you. We'll just do 1, 2, 3, and the supplier or store you're getting the item from, and the item you need to order. Quantity ordered, we'll say we get 5 more of these. Item cost, that's good enough. We'll hit save, and we will hit process PO. Are you sure you want to process this PO? Yes. Now if we hit view receive orders, our PO was 1, 2, 3. We'll search for that. Here it is, the lotion order. Now when you get these items, you could post this PO, and it's now completed. We'll go back to our inventory. You can see we now have 15 items because we made a PO for 5 and we said we received it. So that should cover everything we need to do in inventory maintenance. Thanks for joining me.